Welcome to CM Raju Logics. Today we are going to discuss cross multiplication. This is one shortcut which is useful for multiplying any given number of digits. Suppose while using this cross multiplication, 235 into 476 is given to you. In normal multiplication, we are multiplying 6 into 5 and 6 into 3, 6 into 2 in one line. Later we are taking 7 into 235 in one more line. Later we are taking 4 into 235 in one more line. Finally we are adding all those steps. We'll see cross multiplication. How to apply this shortcut? This shortcut is useful to all general, which replaces all general mathematics problems and which is useful for all competitive exams. We'll see, suppose first step I am taking ABC into DEF 3 by 3. How to multiply, we'll see first. So this is a row and this is a column. How to take the multiplication of first step? First step means you can take first column. So whatever it may be, addition, subtraction, multiplication, we are performing from the right hand side, means from unit digits we are starting. That's the reason you can apply first step, first column means unit digits you can multiply. C into F. Second step you can take A, B, C, D, E, F. So later you can take the multiplication of two columns. Whenever you have a multiplication of two columns, simply you can take into symbol, like into symbol, right? Whenever you are taking multiplication of two columns, simply you can take into symbol, means you can take like this. Now which becomes BF plus C over second. We'll see third step. ABC into DF is there. See, listen, first step is one column, second step is two columns, third step. So how to perform third step here? Take simply is like a star. So listen here, like a star. See. Now apply these steps. AF plus CD plus B. So till now we have seen that one column we have added. Now we can eliminate one column from fourth step onwards. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now eliminate. Till now we have added one column from right hand side. In the similar way you can eliminate one column from the right hand side. Eliminate one column. We have only two steps. What I said, whenever you have a two columns multiplication, simply take like a X or into. Then take into, which becomes AE plus BD. Next, fifth step. ABC into DF. Now eliminate now two columns. Only one column is left, that is A into D. Now we will see some problems based on the cross multiplication. Suppose one question is there. Question is given to you, 452 into 346 is given to you. How to perform cross multiplication to this question? So first step is apply as it is. 6 2s are 12, you can add carry 1. Second step what I said, 2 columns multiplication, BF plus C like that. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 4s are 80. 30 plus 8, 38 plus carry 1. How much it is? 39. Now carry 3. Second step is over. Now coming to the third step. What I said, how to perform third step, like a star. Now you can take 6 4s are 24 plus 3 2s are 6. 24 plus 6 30 plus 5 4s are 20. 30 plus 20 50. 50 plus 3 53. Carry is 5. Now elimination later. Eliminate like fourth step. Now you have only two steps are left. Those are 4 4s are 16. 5 3s are 15. 16 plus 15. 31 plus 5 36. Now carry is 3. Now eliminate second column also. We have only one step, that is 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 12 plus 3 15. Over. Answer is over. Now, first question is over. We'll see some more questions. Suppose I'm taking 472 into 324 is even. How to perform cross multiplication to this model? We'll see first one, 4 2s are 8. Now second step like into. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 2s are 42. Carry is 3. Third step, 4 4s are 16. 2 2 3s are 6. 16 plus 6, 22. Plus 7 2s are 14. 22 plus 14, 36. 36 plus 3, 39. Carry is 3. Later simply eliminate. Now 2 4s are 8. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 8, 29. Plus carry 3, 32. Now carry is 3. Now eliminate one more column. And final step is 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. This is the result. 15, 29, 28. Right? We will see. Suppose question is given like this. 746 into only 28 is given. Means 3-digit number into 2 digits. How to perform multiplication to this question means simply you can add 0, nothing. By adding 0 to the left hand side, nothing will be happen. We will see. Repeat the same steps. 8 6 are 48. Carry is 4. 8 4s are 32. 6 2s are 12. 32 plus 12, 44 plus 4, 48. Again carry is 4. Now third step is 8 7s are 56. 6 into 0, 0. 56 plus 4 2s are 8. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. Again 6. Elimination. 2 7s are 14, which is 0. 14 plus 6, 20. Carry is 2. Elimination. 7 0 7. Simply 7 zeros are 0. Cannot that carry. So same shortcut is applicable for calculating a square of any number. For calculating square of any number. Suppose I need to calculate 724 whole square. How to calculate this square? 724 into 724. Now repeat all those 5 steps. Automatic answer will come. Right, 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17, carry 1. Third step is 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 28, 56, 2 2s are 4, 60, 61, 60 plus 1, 61. 6. Now elimination. Eliminate one column. Now automatically 2 7s are 14 plus 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 14, 28 plus 6, 34, carry 3. Eliminate one more column. Last step is 7 7s are 49 plus 3 is how much it is? 52. In this way easily we can calculate square of any number. You can take any number, easily we can multiply as well as we can calculate the square of the given number by using the cross multiplication. This is only for calculating 3 by 3. Suppose in the question which is given only 2 by 2, how to multiply 78 into 46? 2 by 2 is given. We will see the same question. By using the cross multiplication easily we can solve this solution also. Now 6 8, first step as it is, second step as it is. We will see one by one. First step is 6 8s are 48, carry is 4. Second step, what I said, whenever you have a multiplication of 2 columns, simply take multiplication like into, like the second step. Now you can take 6 7s are 42, 8 4s are 32. 42 plus 32, 74. 74 plus 4, 78. Now carry is 7. There is no third step. Simply you can eliminate from right side again. Now 7 4s are 28 plus 7. How much it is? 3 5 8. We will see one more problem. Suppose question is given to you 57 into 43 is given to you. Question is. We will see same. Repeat the same steps here also. 3 7s are 21. Carry is 2. Second step. 3 5s are 15. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 15. 43. 43 plus 2, 45. Now carry is 4. Now eliminate one column. Now last one 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24. Now how to find the square of a 2-digit number? This is also very simple. Suppose I want to calculate 64 whole square. How it can be written as 64 into 64. 64 into 64. Now apply all those steps. 4 4s are 16, 1, carry 1. 4 6 are 24 plus 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 24 is how much? 48. 48 plus 1, 49. Carry is 4. Now later, after multiplication of 2 columns, there is no third column. Simply eliminate one column from the right hand side. Now 6 6 are 36 plus carry 4. How much it is? 4096. In this way, easily we can calculate any number by using the cross multiplication. So which is useful to for all competitive examination. In the beginning it might be difficult. By using more practice, automatically this shortcut is a time saving shortcut. Old one, whatever it is, we have a general shortcut, general method, that is a time taking procedure, and try to for all competitors try to remember this shortcut only. Apply all those steps In the beginning, it may be difficult by doing. Already we have a proverb: practice makes man perfect. Automatically, by doing the practice, automatically it takes just 20 seconds of the time. Clear? This is about complete cross multiplication.